How to use music for stress relief? Listening to music can help you relax and distress. Everyone has different musical tastes. We should listen to music that makes us feel at ease. Sitting down and forcing yourself to listen to unappealing relaxation music may exacerbate rather than relieve stress. Music is a powerful mood changer and stress reliever that works on multiple levels at the same time. The entire human energetic system is heavily influenced by sounds. The physical body and chakra centers respond specifically to certain tones and frequencies. The positive effects of actually playing or creating music should be given special consideration. One of the first stress-relieving changes that occurs when we hear music is an increase in deep breathing. Serotonin production in the body also increases. It has been discovered that playing music in the background while we work, seemingly unaware of the music itself, reduces workplace stress. That is why so many retail establishments play music while you shop, to distract you from the high prices. Music has been shown to lower heart rates and raise body temperature, indicating the onset of relaxation. The combination of music and relaxation therapy was more effective than relaxation therapy alone. Many experts believe that the rhythm of the music or the beat has a calming effect on us, even if we are not aware of it. They claim that when we were babies in our mother's womb, we were probably influenced by our mother's heartbeat. We respond to soothing music later in life, possibly associating it with our mother's safe, relaxing, protective environment. Music can be one of the most relaxing or tense experiences available. It is difficult to determine what will work best for any individual. Most people will choose something they like over what may be beneficial. Many unexpected things were discovered while conducting extensive research on what any given piece of music produces in the physiological response system. Many so-called meditation and relaxation recordings produce negative EEG patterns, just like hard rock and heavy metal. Surprisingly, many Celtic, Native American, and other types of music with loud drums or flutes were extremely soothing. The most profound discovery was that any music performed live, even at moderately loud volumes, even if somewhat discordant, elicited a very beneficial response. As previously stated, there is no single type of music that is suitable for everyone. People have different preferences. It is critical that you enjoy the music being played. I recently purchased a rest and relaxation CD from Walmart, and it has worked wonders for me. It has the sounds of the ocean playing in the background, as well as beautiful piano music. It's very relaxing. One thing to keep in mind, when you're trying to distress, it's probably not a good idea to listen to ballads or songs that remind you of a sad time in your life. The reason is self-evident. You're attempting to relax and wash away the anxious thoughts. The last thing you need is a sad song to bring back memories you don't want to remember. General guidelines for music distressing. Here are some general guidelines to keep in mind when using music to distress. Take a 20-minute sound bath to relieve stress. Play some soothing music on your stereo and then lie down on a couch or on the floor near the speakers. Wear headphones to focus your attention and avoid distractions for a more immersive experience. Choose music with a slow rhythm, one that is slower than the natural heart rate of 72 beats per minute. Music with a repeating or cyclical pattern has been found to be effective for the majority of people. Allow the music to wash over you, washing away the stress of the day. Concentrate on your breathing, allowing it to deepen, slow, and become regular. Concentrate on the silence between notes in the music. This will keep you from analyzing the music and will help you relax more completely. If you need to be stimulated after a long day at work, listen to faster music rather than slow, calming music. Turn up the music and dance. It makes no difference whether or not you can dance. Simply move in time with the music and do what feels right. You'll be surprised at how much relief you feel. When things get tough, listen to music you know and love, such as a childhood favorite or favorite oldie. Familiarity frequently breeds calmness. Take walks while listening to your favorite music on the Walkman. Inhale and exhale rhythmically to the music. Allow yourself to be carried away by the music. By combining exercise, brisk walk, imagery, and music, this is an excellent stress reliever. Listening to natural sounds, such as ocean waves or the peace of a deep forest, can help to relieve stress. If you're near the beach or a quiet patch of woods, go for a 15 to 20 minute walk. If not, tapes of these sounds are available in many music stores. This has been extremely relaxing for me. You should try it as well.